Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to adjust contrast in Adobe Lightroom. It's really quick and simple and the process is really straightforward, so let's jump right in. First, open your Adobe Lightroom app. Here, tap on All Photos. Adobe Lightroom will show you a range of photos that are uploaded to its gallery that you can edit. Tap on any of the photo that you want to edit, and you will see a bunch of options at the bottom. Here, select Light, and you will see Contrast as your second option. From here, you can increase or decrease the contrast according to your liking. And here's a quick tip. If you simply want to adjust your contrast by 2%, you can simply tap on that side, whether you want to increase or decrease, like this, and it will increase or decrease accordingly by 2%. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.